Hello, I'm 697. In this episode of Dreamweaver website building, I'll be showing you how to create a contact form. So that's where you have this contact form where you put your name, your last name, email, and your message. Type in your message, click submit, and it goes to your email which you define, and then you can reply to the person who actually sent you this. So that's what we'll be doing in this episode. Now there'll be two files for you to download in the description below, and the first one is this thing called Form.php, which is a PHP script form that allows whatever in that table that we saw at the start to be sent to a defined email, which we'll be doing later in the later part. And also this thing called table.html, which will have our table in, so you can have whatever design of website you want, and then in the content bin you just import this code into that bit. So first we're going to create a new page from template, save as, go to our local thing and save it as contactus.html, and just change the title to contact us, and then obviously remove all this content here. Now what we're going to do is put this code into our web page contactus.html. So we're going to select it all and copy it, and then we're going to paste it into there. One thing that'll make it look better is if we center it by putting center tag, and then at the very end put in slash center. Actually put it, it's better if you put it inside of the form bit at the top. So if we go into design, it's not centered on here, but if we preview in Chrome, you can see it's centered. Now another thing we need to fix is this bit where it's black, and that the reason why is because on our CSS styles we've got our body tag, which also has td and th, which is table stuff, and we want to not have that be coloured but just be transparent. So we're going to click that and click it again till it goes like this, and then remove that td and th, which is just body. And now if you preview in Chrome, you can see it's not black anymore, it's just clean and plain. So that's our table inputted into our web page. So now we can close this table.html, and with our form.php, which we need to put in our local server, so we need to put that in our local thing, but that table.html we don't need to put in our local thing. But with the form.php, put that in our local folders, and the two things we need to edit, the things at the top. Now this form here, I did not create this, I found it on the internet, I've just completely forgotten where, so if this is copyright I'm so sorry, but if the person who made this can tell me they made it, then I can give them credit, but until then I'm not sure who made it. But basically they've created it so that the other things you need to edit are at the top, and that is the email and subject, because in the table we've got like our message, but it has no subject, because we want to put our own subject. So first let's do our subject. So the subject of the email when it's sent to us, I'm put that as website of awesome contact. And then email 2 is when it says email here, is the email we're going to use. Now I've created an email called website of awesome@live.co.uk, so I've just created that, and that's all you have to edit. So once you've put the table in there and edit those two things, that's your contact form done and ready to test. So now if we come over to our Chrome and we test it, so just put test2 email. You can I think you can use fake emails, but better if we did a real one. So maybe I'll just use it, which might be a bit confusing, but I'll just use the email which I'm sending to, so it can see that when I reply to it, it replies to the right thing. Message, I am testing this, and if you click submit, it just shows us our form. And that's the problem, is that PHP only works when it's uploaded to the server. So I'll upload these files to the server and then test it again. So now this PHP script does not work with all web hosts. So the one I tested with just now, which I somehow can't show you because I did it and then I did it again, it didn't work. So it does show that the form does not work most web hosts, but if you can find a better on the internet, then that'll be quite good. But that's basically how to create a contact form for your website. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it. If you've got any questions, put them in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel, as that supports me a lot. Also check out my friend's channel of Awesome Gaming, and hopefully see you guys next episode.